One day, Ananse was wandering through the forest, looking for something interesting to do.
There is nothing to do in this forest today. Nothing at all.
Right in the middle of the path sat a rock. But this was no ordinary rock.
How can a rock have eyes and a beard?
Whoosh! Something invisible lifted Anansi high into the air, then dropped him. Then, slowly, a very clever smile spread across his face.
I have an idea. A beautiful idea.
The next day, Ananse met the elegant royal antelope and invited him to see something amazing.
Tell me, my friend, how can a rock?
How can a rock have eyes and a beard?
Whoosh! Up flew the antelope and down it crashed.
Yes, my plan is working. My family will eat today.
Next, Ananse brought the elephant to the rock and asked the same question.
Tell me, friend,
How can a rock?
how can a rock have eyes and a beard? Whoosh! Up went the elephant and down it came with a mighty crash. Yes! Even the greatest falls for it.
One by one, Ananse tricked many animals. Each time the same question, but high above in the trees, a small squirrel had been watching everything and understood the trick. One day, Ananse met the squirrel and invited him to see something amazingly wonderful.
Come, my friend. I have something wonderful to show you.
I will come.
Ananse pointed at the rock and set his trap, just as he had done before.
Look at this. How can a rock?
I do not understand. What should I say?
Anansi puffed up proudly. He stood tall and shouted, "Ah!
How can a rock have eyes and a beard?
Up flew and higher than before. He reached for a branch. The squirrel climbed down from the tree and looked at him.
Those who set traps for others must be careful, or they may fall into them themselves.
And from that day, the Ananse learned, cleverness is not enough. It must be used wisely. This has been a story of Ananse Pavo and the rock that knew more than he did.